How to make money online with my daily choice.
All right, all right. So, like I said, passive and proactive. When we are focused on building on Facebook, your passive method is going to be things like Facebook posts. Your proactive method is going to be using things like Facebook Messenger. Okay. So, when you're doing Facebook posts, we start you off with Facebook stories. Then, as you start to grow and develop, we go into more intermediate and advanced methods like using your profile, using Facebook groups, all that great stuff. But for right now, we're talking about the beginners. The beginners. What is the simplest things that you can start doing? And that's going to be focused on Facebook stories. Your proactive is going to be in Facebook Messenger, reaching out to the people you know. Again, we'll talk about that in the next video. So for right now, let's jump into passive. All right, so here are the steps. Step number one, Facebook stories. Go watch the training that we have inside of our affiliate learning center. So again, if you are on our team inside of My Daily Choice, we have given you the link for you to register so that you can get access to our training. Now, just a reminder, I am a certified online business coach and I have 6 years of experience. I have credentials that are on my website where I have rave reviews, I have testimonials. So I got the receipts. I've been able to help people make thousands of dollars online. And you are going to be learning some of my best tips inside of that affiliate learning center. So make sure that you registered and that you go in there and you study that training and implement it. You got to implement in order for it to work for you and make a paycheck for you. So the next thing that you'll do is after you've watched the Facebook stories training, now you're going to implement. You're going to do step 2, go and post the stories the way that I showed you. Okay. Now, step 3, you're going to check back periodically to see who has requested info. And I do not mean, I don't mean sit there, oh gosh, is anybody going to see my story? Has anybody clicked yet? Let me check. You know what? Let me put my phone down. Okay, how long has it been? 3, 5 seconds? Let me go check. Oh my gosh, don't do that. Any of you that know the law of attraction, you know that detachment is an important part of being able to attract what you want, right? But honestly, it's the same thing we tell our kids, right? They're getting ready for Santa Claus to come. They're so excited. They're too excited to go to bed. And you're like, the faster you go to bed, the faster Santa comes, right? So when those kinds of things happen, you're so excited, you can't wait for people to start replying to your stories. Go do something else and just check back periodically. Step 4, when you have someone who has requested info, message them. Now, remember, I've shown you how to put polls in your Facebook story so that we make the barrier of entry super low. We make it very easy for people to reach out to you and tell you that they want to get started. So when they click on one of your poll options and you see that, you're going to now message them. Because what's great about Facebook stories is that it's different from post in the fact that when you post, people comment on the actual post. In stories, when people comment or they, click the poll or whatever, now you guys are interacting with each other in your messenger, in Facebook Messenger. This is great. It actually helps you to skip a step that you would normally have to do in posting on your profile. Now it's straight into Messenger. So you are going to message them and you're going to type this message out. Okay, so we're on step 5 now. You're going to type out this Facebook message. Now, before I even go into what the message is, I have a disclaimer. Let me stop sharing. What I am giving you is not a script. You are not an actor. I'm not a screenwriter. Okay, you are going to take what I'm saying and you're going to put it in your own words. You're just going to model after what I have. I don't want you to necessarily use what I'm saying verbatim. What I want you to do is to understand why I'm saying what I'm saying, so that once you understand the intention behind it, you can say it from your own heart with your own words. Okay? So please do not take what I'm saying and use it as a script. I repeat, do not take what I'm saying and use it as a script and copy and paste everything that I'm saying. With all that being said, you're going to type out this part of your message. Hey, name, right? Hey, Tommy, I saw that you requested info from my Facebook stories about blank. You're going to fill in the blank. What did you post about in your stories? Did you post a win for one of your teammates that they had rank advanced? And you asked the question, who else would like to rank advance? And this person clicked on that, then that's what you're going to say. Hey, Tommy, I saw you requested info from my stories about rank advancing on our team. Here's the info on how to get started for free, right? If you posted about, say, the liquid lipo spray that we've got, and you say, hey, Tommy, I saw that you requested info from my Facebook stories about that liquid lipo spray that I was telling you about. Here's the info on how to get started for free. Okay, so that part really depends on what you posted about based on what you learned from the Facebook stories training. Now, if you're watching this video and you're not a part of our team yet, get on in here. We got some room for you and it's free for you to get started. You'll see our link in the description box for you to set up your free affiliate account, and let's go and make this money today. Okay. Now, after you say, here's the info on how to get started for free, you then do step 6, send the link they requested info about. Now, here's why. You are not doing what these, amateur, unprofessional, spammy type of network and affiliate marketers are doing. And they just say, hey, how you doing today? Here's a link. We're not doing that. You have to remember that this conversation all started because the person requested information from you. And because they requested it, it's time to give it to them. Let them make up their own minds after getting the information needed to make the decision. Now, step number 7 depends on what it is you talked about in your Facebook stories. If we go with option A, this is when you had posted something about becoming an affiliate. Option B is if you posted something about the products, the store, saving money, travel, gas, whatever. Okay, so let's start with option A. All right, so if this is someone who requested info about being an affiliate, you will immediately, after sending the link, it's time to leave a voice message. And you're going to say, all right, there's the link. Once you've set up your free account, now here's the part you need to memorize. I'll plug you in to everything you need to know to get a check by next Thursday. That, child, go practice that in front of a mirror. Say it every day, all day long until you have it down pat. Because most people say too much in this part. Oh, I'm going to give you all the training and I'm going to plug you in and you're going to talk to my upline and we're going to have a meeting on Zoom and we're going to... No, stop. Because then it becomes overwhelming and the person starts to believe, oh, crap. Now I'm going to have to do that if I want to duplicate. That sounds like a lot of work. No, you simply tell them, I'm going to plug you in to everything you need to know to get a check by next Thursday. Sing it with me. I'm going to plug you in to everything you need to know to earn a check by next Thursday. Okay. So once you've said that, you wait for them to go and create their free account. Once you've gotten the email notification, because My Daily Choice support will always give you an email immediately following the creation of an account. So it doesn't matter if they set up a customer account or an affiliate account, you will always receive email confirmation that they've done so. So at that time, and only at that time, will you add them to our Facebook group chat that we have. Then you welcome them in. Okay? Do not add them to the Facebook group chat until you have the email notification that that person set up their affiliate account. Okay? Now let's talk about option B. If someone who requested the info about anything regarding the products, whether it was the sleep spray, our liquid lipo, the energy, whatever, if they requested info about that, then immediately after you send the link, right, all the other steps will stay the same. But after you sent the link, you're going to leave this voice message. Hey, once you set up your free account, I'll show you exactly how to get your hands on blank, whatever the product was, right away. So if you happen to have been talking about Fuel Factor X, not by posting a picture of the Fuel Factor bottle, But by simply saying, hey, how many of you wish you could save money on gas? Something as simple as that. How many of you are sick and tired of these gas prices, right? You start the conversation that way. When you put your polls up and you say, I wish I knew how to save money on gas, or show me how to save, right? They click on one of those options and then you say, hey, I saw that you requested information from my Facebook stories about saving money on gas. And then you give them that link and then you leave this voice message. Once you've set up your free account, I'll show you exactly how to get your hands on these gas savings right away. Do you see how easy all of that fits in? Okay. Now, this is an option. This is an option here. So notice when I have regarding our products, I've got the double asterisk. And then down here, I'm explaining what that double asterisk means. If they specifically requested information on travel savings or information on gas, we actually have that personalized link for you to use that we've made for our team. And you can use that. But honestly, you can just use the customer account link, right? For them to set up their free customer account. You use that link that we made for you. You will find those done for you links inside of the Affiliate Learning Center. So you got to go register, log in there, and then you'll find the training and the links for you to use. Now, again, you can just give them the customer link. After they've set up their account, then you could follow up and say, oh, by the way, I have a video specifically about travel. Here it is. And then you give them the travel link. Make sense? If anybody's lost, confused, please reach out to me right now. Comment, comment below the video, message me. We're going to leave our social media information in here as well. Okay. Now, we do have the more intermediate and advanced training in terms of when you start using Facebook posts and even Facebook groups, including that very powerful Facebook group hack that I've taught you, where you don't even have to post anything in groups, and yet you can get 30 to 60 leads per day using a group. See, if you're not on our team, you don't know how to do that. Get your buns on in here. Stop playing. Okay, because it's very simple. So I'm going to skip this part because, again, I want to only talk to the beginners, the people who have never had any great results before. If you've never made at least $5,000 in a network marketing or affiliate marketing business before, it is time that you do. And this is the way that you do it.